Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bold all specific words in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to bold all specific words in this document. Go to the Home menu. Then click the Replace option. Then write name word on this find box. Then write replace with box. Then click more option. Then go to the format option and choose font. Then select the bold font and click OK. Then click replace all. Now we can see here show a message all done, we made 4 replacements. Then we click OK. Then close the window. Now we can see we bold all specific words in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.